The power of self-reliance, making money on your terms. In a world saturated with advice, trends, and the constant buzz of social media, the path to financial success can feel like a maze of conflicting opinions. Ever feel overwhelmed by the constant stream of advice and opinions out there? What if I told you that the key to making money isn't in following the crowd, but in tuning into your own voice? Today, we're exploring how trusting yourself can unlock incredible opportunities and pave your own path to financial freedom. So, grab your notebooks, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Number 1. Trust your instincts. Trusting your instincts is vital for achieving financial success, especially when the noise of others can cloud your judgment. The only way to make money may be to listen to no one, allowing your unique insights to guide your decisions. When you tune out external opinions, you create space for original ideas to flourish. This self-reliance empowers you to take calculated risks and pursue opportunities that resonate with your passions and values. Embracing your intuition helps you identify market gaps and develop innovative solutions that stand out. While advice can be valuable, it's essential to prioritize your own experiences and instincts above all else. By doing so, you build confidence in your choices, enabling you to navigate challenges with resilience. Ultimately, trusting yourself can lead to greater fulfillment and success in your entrepreneurial journey. Number 2. Innovation and creativity. In the pursuit of financial success, innovation and creativity are essential, and sometimes the best way to cultivate them is by listening to no one. When you tune out external opinions and focus on your own ideas, you create a space for original thoughts to flourish. This independence allows you to think outside the box, challenge conventional wisdom, and explore uncharted territories. By following your instincts, you can identify gaps in the market that others might miss, leading to unique products or services. Embracing your creativity fosters a mindset that welcomes experimentation and risk-taking, essential ingredients for entrepreneurial growth. Ultimately, when you prioritize your vision over the noise of others, you open the door to limitless possibilities, paving the way for innovative solutions and, ultimately, financial success. Number 3. Personal passion. Personal passion is a powerful driver of financial success, and often, the best way to achieve it is by listening to no one but yourself. When you pursue what genuinely excites you, your enthusiasm becomes a catalyst for innovation and creativity. Ignoring external opinions allows you to focus on your unique vision, leading to the development of products or services that truly resonate with your audience. This authenticity not only attracts customers but also fuels your motivation to push through challenges. By aligning your work with your passions, you cultivate a fulfilling career that doesn't feel like a chore. Ultimately, trusting your instincts and prioritizing what you love empowers you to carve out a niche in the market, proving that when you follow your heart, success often follows. Number 4. Avoiding groupthink. Avoiding groupthink is essential for achieving financial success, and often the best approach is to listen to no one but yourself. In a world filled with popular opinions and trends, it's easy to conform and miss out on unique opportunities. By prioritizing your own thoughts and insights, you create a space for original ideas to flourish. This independent mindset allows you to challenge the status quo, leading to innovative solutions that set you apart in a crowded market. Ignoring the pressure to follow the crowd fosters creativity and encourages you to take risks based on your instincts. By valuing your perspective over collective opinions, you can navigate challenges with confidence and develop strategies that truly reflect your vision. Ultimately, trusting yourself is key to unlocking your potential and achieving financial success on your own terms. Number 5. Learning from failure. Learning from failure is essential in the journey toward financial success, and often, the key lies in tuning out external voices. When you carve your own path, mistakes are inevitable. However, each setback provides invaluable lessons that can shape your future decisions. By embracing failure as a part of the process, you cultivate resilience and adaptability. This personal growth is enhanced when you focus on your own experiences rather than the opinions of others. Trusting your instincts allows you to pivot when necessary, turning challenges into opportunities. Ultimately, the ability to learn from setbacks empowers you to innovate and create unique solutions. Your journey becomes a testament to self-reliance and the transformative power of perseverance, proving that true success often comes from within. Number 6, tailored strategies. Crafting tailored strategies is crucial for achieving financial success, and often the best approach is to trust your instincts above external opinions. When you rely on your own insights, you can develop customized plans that align with your unique vision and goals. Unlike one-size-fits-all solutions, tailored strategies consider your strengths, passions, and market opportunities, allowing you to carve out a niche. This personalized approach fosters creativity and innovation, enabling you to respond swiftly to changes in your industry. By listening to yourself, you gain the confidence to experiment and pivot as needed rather than following popular trends. Ultimately, the ability to create strategies that resonate with your individual perspective not only sets you apart from the competition, but also increases your chances of long-term success and fulfillment in your entrepreneurial journey. Number 7, resilience and confidence. Resilience and confidence are essential traits for financial success, and often the best path forward is to trust your instincts rather than external opinions. When you prioritize your own insights, you cultivate a strong sense of self-belief that enables you to navigate challenges with determination. This confidence allows you to embrace risks and take bold steps that others might shy away from. Resilience comes into play when setbacks occur, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. By learning from failures and maintaining faith in your vision, you develop the tenacity to overcome adversity. Ignoring the noise around you fosters a mindset that is unshakable in the face of criticism or doubt. Ultimately, by relying on your own judgment, you empower yourself to pursue your goals with unwavering commitment, paving the way for financial achievement. Number 8, networking versus independence. In the pursuit of financial success, finding the balance between networking and independence is crucial, and often, true profitability comes from trusting your own instincts. While building connections can provide valuable insights and opportunities, relying solely on external advice can dilute your unique vision. By listening to no one but yourself, you cultivate an independent mindset that encourages creativity and innovation. This self-reliance allows you to pursue projects that resonate deeply with your passions, setting you apart from the competition. Networking can enhance your journey, but it should complement, not dictate, your strategy. When you maintain your independence, you empower yourself to make bold decisions based on personal convictions rather than societal pressures. Ultimately, a blend of networking and self-trust can lead to a fulfilling and successful entrepreneurial experience. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Remember, the journey to financial success is uniquely yours. Trust your instincts, learn from failures, and embrace your passion. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on carving your own path. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep believing in yourself, and let's turn our dreams into reality together.